Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. I'm Justin, and today we're taking a look at Golden Beard's Beard Balm that they sent me. Now, they sent me this with the full beard starter kit, which comes with basically everything that you need, which we'll talk about that here at the end of the video. Now, inside of this box, you will find a bunch of boxes, and one of those boxes is this one right here. This is for the Beard Balm, and once you open this one, you guessed it, you've got a 2-ounce tin with your pretty standard screw-off lid. The scent of this is, well, pretty much the same as all the other Big Sur scents, which is patchouli with a little bit of lime scent added in. To apply this Beard Balm, it says just to take a moderate amount on your fingers, put it in the palms of your hands, rub them together, and then apply and sculpt your beard as you normally would. The ingredients listed in this are fairly simple and all natural, including cocoa butter, shea butter, beeswax, apricot oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and it also has lime, lavender, and patchouli-like essential oils to help with the scent. Now, as you just saw, the Golden Beard's Beard Balm is fairly simple to apply, basically just like you would apply any other balm. Now, from my experience using this Beard Balm, I have to be honest with you guys, there was a few days that I didn't use it that I normally would have, just because I was working out in the shop and didn't want it to get all dusty with wood dust and such, so therefore I did skip that. So we'll just say that I use this about 3 out of 4 weeks during the month. And even within those weeks, I usually still used it like I normally would every couple of days or every other day. And I have to tell you guys that it was a fairly good one. It spreads fairly easily on the hand, it melts very quickly, and therefore it covers the goatee hair fairly good without really much effort at all. As you guys can see, it definitely gives a bit of a shine to the goatee. Now, the darker the hair, the more shine it's going to give. And I think that for really dark beards, if you accidentally apply too much of this, it may end up making it look oily. Speaking of an oily look, I noticed that with this Beard Balm, it doesn't tend to suck into the skin quite as well as some others do. So you may end up needing to take a rag and cleaning up around your beard just to make sure that you don't have any fairly obvious little shiny spots on your skin. This is also a light hold balm, so don't be expecting it to be getting any stray hairs to go where you want it to, because it is a very light balm. And I think that it's best applied once your beard and the beard oil right after your shower is completely dry, where you still have some type of shape to it, so that you're not trying to fight, a bed beard or something like that with some sticking out over here, as it's not going to be able to get that hair right where you want it, and it's not going to hold it there for very long, if at all. Now, do I think that this is worth your money? Well, I think that if you are looking for a very light hold balm that will give a nice shiny look, it's pretty much just what you're looking for. However, I think that there are a few other brands out there that you could look at that would be a little bit better the value for you at the same price range at about $15 to $18 depending on where you were to buy it. However, I think that you get a much better value for the Beard Balm if you go ahead and do what I suggested to do with the beard oil, and that was buy it in the Beard Starter Kit. Because with the Beard Starter Kit, you get the balm, you get the oil, you get a shampoo, you get a conditioner, and you even get this nice little brush for the low price of about $50 at the link below. And I think that the $50 that this comes in at is a fairly good deal, and I think I would definitely shell that out for the Beard Starter Kit. If you want to learn more about Golden Beards, make sure to check out their playlist right up here. Below that's going to be a video that you're going to like as well. And of course, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss any more of Golden Beard products reviews. And until next time, as always, you have a good one.